Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to enable memories flashback on Snapchat. It's very easy guys, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you have to take is of course open your Snapchat app and then log into your account. Next thing is to click on the profile icon at the top left corner. Right, from here you're going to get all these options right here, but if you look at the top right corner, you find this settings icon right there. Click on that. After that, you just have to scroll down until you see privacy control section. Right, so in the privacy control section, you're going to see memories option right there. Click on the memories option. Once you click on that, here you're going to find this autosave my story snaps. Click on that and select autosave to memories. All right, and then go back. All right, so for the save button, click on that and make sure memories and camera roll is selected. So once that is selected guys, whenever you have a snap, it's going to be automatically saved to your memories and it will flash back anytime on Snapchat. Right, so that's it guys on how you can actually enable your memories flashback. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.